Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on OPPO Reno10. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then we can click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside, scroll down and find Password Manager. Right here make sure that Save Passwords is on, and now we can go back to our browser. Open any website that you want to save credentials for. In this case I'm going to go for a Facebook. Here, try to log in. And when we click on that login button, we should be able to see the pop-up on top of our screen that we can save the password. Select Save, and then we can go back to the settings and the Password Manager. Then you'll find the passwords for the Facebook on the bottom. You can click on that to edit your username as well as the password. You can also click on this I button to check your password, but for that you will need to have a lock screen set for your phone. Here's the password. You can also edit it however you like. There's option to delete these credentials with this bin button, and when everything is set, make sure to click on Done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.